bunch of new tasks on the Plume Network again. So yeah, I just thought I'll go through it quickly. Make sure you do this one-time follow for this 5,000 miles, and you have to follow this poly trade. Once you click on it, it will take you to the galxe page, and yeah, you just have to complete these tasks. I have already completed it. Probably it will take around sometime like 24 hours for them to be updated. So once that's updated, you'll get your miles. And yeah, you have to follow these ones as well. The LandX, follow Plural Energy, Elify, Mystic Finance, and all these things. So let's quickly go through it and see what are the tasks that I have not covered before. Yeah, it's obviously the Mystic Finance. Let's go ahead and do that. Lending on Mystic Finance. So that's basically it. And yeah, we have to, I'll just show you what are the tasks that's newly added and what needs to be done. Like, all you have to do here is connect your wallet. Let's go ahead and I think I'll connect with Rabbi. Yeah. Okay, and then once it's connected, click on supply, and yeah, like I have 2K, and now I'm just giving a supply of 200 goon USD. Okay, just supplying. Okay, the transaction is completed, so hopefully it goes through. Yeah, just sign. So this is the new task for the Mystic Finance. So basically it's a lending protocol. You lend and you borrow. So that's basically it. So once this is done, the next one is Elify. So this one is a bit weird actually, but yeah, anyway, I'll just show it. It doesn't connect with your MetaMask or any. It doesn't connect with your MetaMask, but it does connect with your OKX wallet, which I'll quickly show right now. Just a minute. I have disabled the wallet. Let me enable it quickly. Now let me connect. OKX. Refresh. So this is more like a campaign from the OKX, I believe. So that's the reason it's going through the OKX wallet. So like you can see, I have already deposited 1,899. Now I'll just go ahead and deposit like 50 goon USD just for you guys, for you to have an understanding. So that's it. Just click on submit. There are two ways you can do. One is from your MetaMask, send some of your goon USD to the OKX wallet along with some testnet ETH on the Plume network. That is how you can do. Or just once you are in the Plume testnet, just go ahead and connect with like get the drip faucet directly on the OKX wallet. So that is one thing which you can do. So this is the other task, and the next one is Plural Energy. So this is again more like supplying for providing liquidity or something, but you can do it only once. So let's connect my wallet, and I think it's connected. I'm not sure. Let's try. So let's go ahead and do 100, and you're only allowed to mint one per day, and yeah, I'm not even sure if this is connected. Okay, it's connected with the other wallet. Let me connect with my Rabbi wallet here so that it's much easier for me to get the transaction done. So yeah, connected. So purchase, I should get a notification for that. refresh it. So again, the entire point of the testnet is it is going to be buggy. It is going to be uh, uh, not so easy to use, but again, that's why you are contributing your time and effort to it. So please be patient and keep trying and see if there's any errors. Refresh it and do it again. Like I said, when I did for the first time, it didn't go through, but now it's going through. So as you can see, the transaction is successful. Once that's done, okay. And yeah, these are the 3 new tasks which I didn't cover before, but again, there is other few tasks as well, as you can see featured. And always do the cultured, guys. Cultured is such a good way to earn points, earn referral, I mean earn miles. So the maximum miles that you get is from betting on cultured, so never skip that one. And ecosystem voting, let's go there. And yeah, it's just loading. So you're allowed to vote 3 votes per day. And yeah, it's week 3 now. Let's vote for, let's go this one. Okay, the transaction is going through. So 3 votes in 24 hours. And let's do the other one for the Isli Finance. I have no idea what that is, but I'll go ahead and vote it anyway. So all these things, the votes that you do, the transactions that you do, the the USD that you supply on the lending platforms, it's all going to help you in earn those miles, right? So always at least spend 10 minutes a day on this one if you have already been farming the Plume network, right? So again, you get 1,000 miles for that for each vote, I believe. And polytrade, yeah. So connect with polytrade, buy polytrade, okay. Let's go ahead and do that. I haven't done this before. I'm doing this literally while I'm showing you guys as well. This is a new uh, what do you call new task which has come in right now. And yeah, just click on login, connect wallet, Rappi wallet, and yeah, connect. I have to give my email address. Just give me a minute. So basically, once you connect your wallet, what do you call? It's going to ask you for your email address. You have to confirm your email address, and you will get an OTP on your one-time transaction thing, which you'll get on your email. So make sure that you can do that, like you mentioned the OTP. And okay, let's go ahead and do this. So this is, I believe this is more like an NFT kind of thing, which you have to request and go through it and fund successfully. Once you have the funds added, you can just go ahead and purchase any NFT, I believe. All right, so I just went through this marketplace polytrade thing. All you have to do is go ahead and click on buy now, and it's supposed to be on the Plume testnet. Let me just quickly show that to you. So you get miles for every time that I'll just show you the entire process. I probably assume that because we are early, it's not showing up. So you have to make sure that you have the filter on for buy now, and just let's say we'll go ahead and do this, right? And once you click here, you have to request for funds, and then you will have an option to add to cart. So once that is added to cart, you can proceed to checkout. So that's how it's going to work. So basically, I believe because there is a less number of what do you call NFTs and what do you call the stocks that's available in this poly trade, it's not showing up right now, but anyhow, it gives you the miles that you have to earn, right? So you got the miles for that. So that's the other thing. And land X, let's go ahead and do that. I have the faucet and USD, so let's go ahead and buy this one. And give me a second. All right, guys, do apologize for the background noise. So that's the reason I had to pause it. So you have to come here. Land X is, again, basically you buy wheat, corn, rice, soy, whatever the stock depends on. So I have already tried this, and I'll quickly show you what needs to be done. Let's ignore and connect. Okay, wheat. So I'll put 50 USD and I'll get some amount of X wheat. So that's basically you trading what do you call, wheats and soys, I guess. So that's one thing. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Transactions going through, pending transaction. Yep, it's done. So this. So you do this at least once every 24 hours. So this is the next task that you have to do. And yeah, success, and it's done. This is done. Land X, you got 10,000 miles for that. And the next one, music protocol. Mint music protocol. This one's fairly easy. All you have to do is mint some amount, connect your wallet, and then mint, I believe. Let's do it. Ignore. Just follow my procedure, whatever I'm doing. It shouldn't be that difficult. I think it's already connected. Okay, it's already connected. Let's go ahead and put 100. Okay, so it takes Goon USD and gives you the music protocols token, I believe MB USD. So yeah, the transaction is complete. That's it. It's done. And oh, yeah, the transaction is complete. Now let's go to the reality. Okay, I think I have done this. Yeah, I did this before yesterday, I believe. So connect, and this too, you just have to get the faucet and convert Goon to Goon USD. So then you click on get, confirm, and it connects with your Rabby wallet or MetaMask, whatever you use. So you get 0.2 RST for 10 GNUSD. So once that's done, sign, confirm, and then you stake the 0.2 RST to earn 10,000 miles for every 24 hours. Pretty easy, is it? Okay, sign, confirm. Yeah, this is a limited time where if you vote for Reality X, you earn 3,000 miles extra. And yeah, it's totally up to you guys. You want to do it, do it. Now, if you forgot it, it's okay, not a big deal. So yeah, it's fairly simple process. It's a new these are the new tasks that you have to do, but it doesn't mean that you don't have to do the other task. Please go ahead and do the plume arc, stake, cultured, silver koi, and yeah, book protocol and solid land share. Everything is pretty much simple. I have done all the instructions in the previous videos. You can watch this one. I hope this helps, and yeah, give a like and subscribe. My channel's pretty going low on numbers, so thank you for that. Bye.